This is how to generate rent receipts and download it on Homz as a property manager. As a property manager, generating and downloading rent receipts is essential for efficient record keeping. With Homz, creating receipts in PDF format is quick and easy. Follow these steps to generate and download rent receipts effortlessly. Step 1. If you have not already done so, create an account on Homz.ng or log into your already existing account and you will be taken to your dashboard. Step 2. On the left-hand panel of your dashboard, click on the document generation section. Step 3. Click on the generate new document icon. Step 4. Select receipts. Step 5. Put in the name of your document and click on the next button. Step 6. Fill out the form with all the necessary information and click the save and generate button. Step 7. Here you can preview your document, edit it, and download it by clicking on the download document as icon. Step 8. Click on the print section in the bottom right pop-up panel. This will download the document to your local storage. Step 9. Click on my documents to view your documents or generate new documents to generate new documents. It's not hard. And congratulations, you have successfully generated your rent receipts document. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more information.